Walks out.
That's why it's long with that. Dede say she wants to be like me. Anyways, not like really she wants to be like me that made us cut the hair. She and her daddy, they are going out now to go and like bring it down to like this level. This is my level. The thing is that her hair had a lot of undergrow, and secondly, her hair was a virgin hair before I left. But immediately I left Kaduna, I don't know the kind of relaxer that they use on this hair. Relaxer issue is plenty. So you will see that this particular area is long, this other side is short, this other side is undergrow, this other, like, the hair is just annoying, especially when you're plaiting this hair. You will, like, when I'm making this I made this her last hair that she lose. It was really frustrating. So I said, I beg, let's chop it off, okay, so that new one will grow. As my own is coming out, our own is coming out, we'll just maintain it as virgin. We don't need to do anything. So she was scared that, will this thing fit me? They will laugh me. But you guys see, she never even reduced and finished it. It will definitely fit her. You guys know. So anyways, waiting for her dad so that they'll go and finish the process. Once they're done with the process, I'll show you guys, okay? Peace out. It's not that fast. Pastor, preach on. So now this thing make you run, go inside, come back. When I don't, they really look down on me.
That's true. That's what you
That's
should do.
Now I didn't try away wash my hands of that place. Baby, waiting with that.
We, as joint task force, declare this license open under Boski Pahos.
Go for being the
God the Father.
Pasani to Kalia.
Hallelujah.
Zezere. Ekota.
Holy
Lipora.
Jesus.
Osholamene.
Holy Ghost.
Selapukura.
Come on.
Zwala.
Yes.
Zwala Kate.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. I went out, I just came back. I want to film a sit down video, so I want to prep and do my makeup for the sit down video, okay? Just simple makeup, nothing much, nothing less. Anyways, let me know. I think my skin and this facial wash and everything that I'm using on this skin is really working. Anyways, what I'm using right now is this 5-in-1 Nivea Micellar water. what is my makeup giving? I hope I tried anyways. See, I think the next part of my life I need to upgrade is makeup. Probably I need to go to a makeup upgrade class. If I have money, I'll do that, sure, because I love makeup. I love looking good on my face, okay? And next thing I need to do is to get some makeup products because this fun. So next thing I need to do is to get some makeup products because I noticed that I don't have so much makeup products again. My makeup is sharp things. I know I can do makeup within like this, a snap of finger. So I know that. Anyways, let me know what the makeup is giving. I want to film a sit down video for this Vibe with Sonia channel, and then I think I need to film another video for my other channel, probably 2 or 3 sit down videos like that. And that is why you guys are seeing me all glammed up. I hope this mic has not messed me up. You know, most of the times if you're filming a video, you need to be checking your mic then, so that at the end of the day to not be like you're filming a video and mic is not working. Okay, so I'll see you guys when I'm done filming my videos. Okay, yeah. I just finished filming 2 videos and I want to start filming for Sonia Onoja's channel, so let's get there. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia Onoja and I'm back again with another video. Recently, I can't even lie, Poppo has become very annoying. Like, when I mean annoying, Poppo is getting to my nerves, okay? And without further ado, I'm going to be saying bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye guys, I love you.